Hello, my name is Mathilde. I have been studying pre-hospital emergency care for 2 years. In my program, you learn how to help people and stabilize them until you arrive at the hospital. The problem is that in our society, we have a lot of medication. When we do the intervention, we need to react quickly, so we need to know what the drug is, what's his side effect, and if they have an interaction. That's why drugs.com is perfect for us. First, you need to write drugs.com in the address bar. Here's the website. At the top of screen in the middle is the text area. This is where you write the drug you're not sure about. For example, I don't know what Plavix is. When you scroll down with the scroll bar, you can see a resume of all the information about the drug. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the side effect. You need to click on it. By clicking on it, you arrive on a page where you have options. You have the overview, the side effects, the dosage, and the interaction. Now, let's see why this website is perfect for us. If my patient have a trauma injury and he tells me that he take Plavix, I need to click on the overview in the top left corner of the screen, like this. Now you can see that Plavix helps to prevent platelets in your blood from sticking together and forming a blood clot. That means if my patient is bleeding inside and outside, he will not stop until a doctor gives him a certain drug to coagulate. In this case, our intervention needs to be really quick because the patient can bleed to death. In a less traumatic situation, this website can help us if our patient have a side effect of his medication, or if he took a drug that he's not supposed to and we want to know if there's an interaction between the two of them. Finally, this website is useful for paramedics because during an intervention we have a lot to think about and it's difficult to remember all the drugs that we learned. Also, it's really helpful because we have a quick access to it and we have all the information that we need to know to help our patient. Thank you.